Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install and activate two WhatsApp accounts on your Honor X78. So if you need the second WhatsApp account for the work, for example, with separated contacts, numbers, messages of course, I'm gonna show you the two tricks for that. The first one is by opening the Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and look for the WhatsApp. But not for the normal app, slide down to the WhatsApp Business. Install this one. And now, how you can see, I have two WhatsApp apps on one phone. That was our first method. Now the second one, go to the Play Store like before and look for the dual space. Choose one of them and install, of course. Now tap on to agree and continue in this app and allow permissions and files. Now just tap on the WhatsApp icon and whole process starting automatically, and now we are creating next WhatsApp app. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.